NYB Shine and Shimmer Highlighter. Sounds interesting as well as new, right? Want to see the demo as well as the swatch? If yes, continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now from the thumbnail and the title, y'all must have come to know that this is going to be a swatch as well as the demo of the new launch product from NYB. I'm literally surprised. NYB is coming with a lot of new launches. They have come up with foundation, blush, now the highlighter, eyeshadow palettes, lots of new launches, and mostly all the products are already reviewed on my channel. That is, I have already reviewed their dewy liquid foundation. Whatever the videos are possible, I link all the videos one by one in the iCard, so you can definitely go ahead and you can watch it. If at all it is not possible to link over there, then you can go to my channel's playlist in the new launches playlist. You can go there, you will find all the new launches of NYB. As well as they have come up with, like with the foundation, they have come up with the eyeshadow. I have already done the review of that also. They have come up with blush. Already the review is up. Now I'm coming up today in this video. I'll be showing you with the demo of the highlighter. Now let's begin with the video. But before moving ahead, if you are new to my channel and if you like what you see, that is you like to see new launches videos, lots and lots of lipstick swatches as well as the reviews and all, then yes, you are at the right place. Please do take out a moment, consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since this is absolutely free, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you are wondering what makeup I am having on my face, then definitely do follow me on Instagram. One reel of this particular makeup is already up on my Instagram, so you can head towards my Instagram. There you will get all the details of this particular makeup. I'll just tell you the lipstick detail. Yes, I'm so sorry, it was just kept aside my table. It is from Blue Heaven Sapphire Collection 106 Naughty Cocoa. This is what I'm having right now on my lips, and this whole video is up on my Instagram, as I told you. You can follow me over there. Now let's begin with the outer covering, outer packaging. In fact, it comes in this kind of usual, like blush, highlighter, everything comes in this kind of packaging, but you have to just read over here, shine and shimmer. In the blush they have said sunlight or something, blush, sunlight, sun kissed, something they have said, I'm not sure what, but over there they have that, and over here they have shine and shimmer highlighter. This is what is written. It is black matte packaging with a grey color font, red lettering and all. If you want to know the shade is given over here on the top of the highlighter box. Okay, the shade which I am having is 2 Glow Gold. Y'all can see, right? This is the shade, and on the back side they have given you what exactly it says: ultra shimmer finish, mineral oil free, lightweight, paraben free, and blends effortlessly. That is what they have said, the key features of this particular highlighter. As well as they have given you the manufacturing is October 21. I said that this is recently launched. As well as the expiry is 09/24. That is still 3 years you can use this product. The MRP of this product is 275 rupees, but during the sale offers, in any case, whenever like NYB is an allied brand of Purple, so you can check over there. They have buy 2 get 1 free, sometimes they have buy 1 get 1 free, sometimes they have full flat 35% off. So they have different offers. So if you are going to buy more than one product, then check out the sale when they have offer buy 2 get 1 free. That time you will have some more profit. Or maybe if you just want to buy one product, then definitely you can just pick one product on 35% off. And if you are an Elite Plus member, then there is no minimum order value also. So check out that. And if you want to become an Elite member, then I'll give you my referral code. If you will use my referral code, you will get some benefit on your membership. I am not going to get anything, but you will earn some benefit. So why not to save some money? This was just a thing I wanted to tell you. Now this is the outer packaging. Now let's move towards the inner packaging. The inner, it comes with this kind of bubble, not bubble, actually it is foam kind of packing. In this the highlighter was kept, so like it should not break and all, because it happened with me. One highlighter when I ordered, it was totally shattered, broken. So I had to reorder, and that is why this video is little bit late. Otherwise with the blush I would have done the review, but then that time I was not having the highlighter because it was under the process of the order, right? When you check the packaging, it comes in this kind of small similar kind of blush. It just say NYB Shine and Shimmer Highlighter, as well as when you just flip the packaging on the back side, this is made in India product. If at all I have forgotten to tell you, this is made in India. Net content, manufacturing, expiry, everything is given. But same the problem goes with this also. I cannot see anywhere the product name or the number. Right, so if at all you have more than 2 or 3, you just have to make a tag over here or maybe on the back side, then only you will come to know the name. If at all you are throwing this off, if not, then definitely here the shade name is given. This is what the inner packaging is. When you open the packaging, it comes with this kind of, as usual, the plastic film. I have just removed it and I'll show you. This is the highlighter. Right, now I'll just show you the hand swatch, because for me also I just have received the highlighter. It's very creamy, very buttery. I'll just show you. This is the I'm not sure whether this shade will look great on me or no, but as I told you, as I always keep on telling you, I am not a highlighter person. I generally don't use highlighter on my face because I don't like that blingy effect on my face. But then for the video and for you all, I can definitely buy 1 or 2 shades and I can review. So like I'll just take a brush. I'm not sure how it is going to apply. If at all I'm making any mistake, then please don't call me for it. I'll just try to, yes, you all can see. I'm not sure whether the camera is capturing or no. I have applied more. Can you see? Yes, this highlighter is awesome. Can you see? Right? Can you see? I'll just take a little bit on in the inner corner. Can you all see? Of course the lipstick is there, so it is not applied properly, but still, right? Yes, see, this is a very good highlighter. But right now when I'm checking, okay, I'll just tell you the shades availability and everything. Right now there are total 4 shades, but when I'm checking right now, this shade number 2 is not showing up. But then just wait for some days. I think they will definitely restock, because that is what has happened with the blush as well. Few of the shades were out of stock, but then just wait for few days. I think they will restock, or else you can call up the customer care and you can check. I just wanted to show you the application of shade number 2. I am not sure why it is out of stock, because this is a, I think this is a great shade for medium to tan skin. If you are like me, having medium to tan skin, then this is going to be a great shade for you. I'll just tell you the 4 shades name: Starry Silver, Glow Gold, Rustic Rose Gold and Bronze Beauty. This is what 4 shades are available. As I told you, 5 grams. Manufacturing and expiry, as I already told you, it is ultra shimmer finish, lightweight, everything I have told you. One important thing you have to keep in mind is this is mineral oil and paraben free product, as well as made in India. So these are the basic key features. I have already included the swatch, that is the demo on my face, the hand swatch, the outer packaging, inner packaging. But still, if you have any other query or if you have any other questions to ask me, do let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. Kindly follow me on Instagram for some short reels, for some short reviews. Like I upload lot of things which I cannot upload over here. I generally upload on my Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram. And if at all you have any other video suggestions or maybe video request, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And most important thing, if you are watching till here, please don't go without liking the video. You people come, sometimes you forget to like. Okay, I can understand, but please don't forget to like the video, because as I always say, your one like encourages me to make more such kind of, you can say, thousands video. Earlier I used to say 100 videos, now I am saying 1000 videos. Yes, your like are that much important for me, so please don't go without liking the video. And if you all are wondering which eyeshadow palette, as I told you, follow me on Instagram. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you will like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.